Alright guys, so I really love this little Milwaukee M12 light. This light is called the Rover Service and Repair Floodlight. This thing is really freaking bright. It has USB charging also, and as you can see, we're running this with a M12 high output 5.0 amp hour battery. And I love this thing. It's magnetic on the back. It'll stand on the battery, it'll lay on its back. You can swivel the light on the front. You can swivel it here. It has a battery meter on the top, so whenever you turn it on, it shows you how much battery it has. Right here is for USB charging, so you can charge whatever device you got, and it also tells how much battery there is. So you hit this button, it tells you the battery, then you pop this little cover and you can charge whatever you need to. Again, this is the Milwaukee M12 Rover Service and Repair Floodlight with USB charging. Now I want to show you how good this thing works. So if you hit this button here on the top, that's high. So as you can see, you can really see what you're doing. But I'm going to tell you why I like it even more. We're going to get here inside this switch gear, and I'll show you why I like this thing so much. I can take those magnets on the back, and I can take it up here on the top and stick it. Now I can literally see everywhere that I need to inside this switch gear. So, and as a side note, this switch gear is de-energized, so I am not in danger. This thing, as you can see here, the conduits have nothing in them. And yeah, look at that light, man. That sucker is kicking ass. And if I need to see more on this side, I just grab the head and turn it over here. Now I can see over there. If I need to see more on the other side, I just grab it and turn it over. This thing is very, very nice. And if it's too bright, all I gotta do is hit the button and it'll dim, and I can still see fairly well. So I'll put a link in the description where you can get this, and hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our deals or reviews in the future. Hit the like button and leave us a comment. Let us know where you're from, if you're enjoying these type of videos or not. Again, check the description for a link to this Rover floodlight. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day.